can do it. You can do it. Stretch. Stretch. Yes. Okay, next one. Can you do it? You can do it. Stretch, stretch. Good, good, good. Now get your arm, take your arm over there. You can do it.
I can do it.
Move your foot closer to the edge.
Can you help?
Yes, I can help. Here, move this foot closer. There you go. You got it? Okay. Okay, there you go. One more. You want to race with me? Okay. You can do it. There you go. One more. Stretch. There you go. Yes. High five. Okay, I'm gonna let go.